Welcome to the start of this week's vlog. Man, do we have to get into some things today. We have the FlashForge AD5X to unbox, which we are actually doing live at the beginning of next week's vlog, which is this video right now. So if you guys want to find out when I am live, follow me on Instagram at the Family Print Project, as well as some of you guys may not know, I do have a Patreon where I do make some bookmark designs. So if you guys would like to assist with that or come follow for free and check out what I have. Some of the audience members did not know I had a Patreon that I do bookmarks for. I do appreciate it very much if you guys take the time to take a look at and support the channel by going over there. And I also do have memberships here where you guys get little special badges. I do the member shout outs at the end of the videos to highlight that. So I am very excited to hop into this, and I've gotten back to comic book reviews and dance videos, and I have to film that after I get this unboxing video done. So it is literally a jam-packed start to this week. Alright, so I have been extremely busy with a lot of content creation. One being the amount of content that I have been producing and making has been amplified up the wazoo between work and after hours. The kiddos want to start doing their own YouTube channel, so I'm letting them explore it a very, very relaxed way where they get to pick and choose what they want to do with guidance from me on a very understanding method of what they want to do, what they want to produce, how they want to produce it, and things like that. Other than that, I am getting this past week's weekly vlog up right now. I actually wanted to highlight the filament dryer. Not only do they have a great price on this, but they also have an incredible clearance sale right now at the time of recording this video of different filaments. If you guys are looking for a good filament dryer that's on par with the Sunlu one that just released, this one is 99 cents cheaper. It's 139, so definitely go pick it up. It is linked in the description box below this video as well. And I love the fact that it has the ability to be a storage dryer box as well, which makes it modular and movable wherever I need it to be in an instant, or I can have it directly set up to one of my printers. But we have a lot of fun to get into. I'm super excited. We do have a pop-up that's actually happening this weekend that we're doing on Saturday, and we have a jam-packed September with everything. Amanda's bachelorette party for her friend, markets that we have set up. We have a couple pop-ups that we have set up. We have a movie night we want to do that's incorporating some 3D print stuff that is going to be on the family vlog channel, so be sure to check that out. And also, for those of you who do not know, I am working on building designs on Patreon. Right now, my time have available for that is the time that I have available to create things on there is bookmarks, but over time I want to be able to designate myself to be able to learn more things when it comes to 3D designs and give myself more time. So if you guys do happen to go over there on Patreon, it is supporting that portion of the adventure of being able to focus on honing in on the design process and figuring that out. But yeah, let's get into this week. Matter of fact, one of the things we have to figure out right now is the tripod that I have here somehow got knocked out of there. So I'm going to take one of our little screwdrivers that we have to put this back in so I can utilize my tripod again. And the tripod is fixed and back up and running. Very good, very nice. Alright, we are here slicing up another Batman piece for Dr. Giro. I have a couple prints going right now, downloading the Orca slicer for, you guys saw the unboxing video, thank you guys for joining on the live. So for some reason on Mac, it would not allow me to do the software without going to my security settings for it and actually giving it access to bypass it for the Orca slicer. So now I should have the correct one, I think. Alright, we officially up and running and connected. We got the device acrylic in there. We're gonna do a little test print, let it go, see how it does, and start rocking and rolling with some stuff. Well, it is the morning, and we had a little failed extrusion. This PTFE tube in the back was actually somehow disconnected, and I noticed this was a little bit further than usual, so I pushed it a little bit closer, pushed it back in. We do have one fail in the back. Oh no, we don't even have a fail. I almost thought it was because of that, but it is in fact not. A little test on a jelly, test its ability, and it's looking pretty good. Haven't printed one of these since the OG days. And what do I mean about OG days? I mean literally the beginning. This time around, we got the little icy smiley instead of a solid color. So I'm probably gonna print some more, a little bit bigger, get these guys going again. we have another back plate for the bat suit done. This thing is just trucking along, becoming a printing monster. Basically, you know, Dr. Giro, I think, fits this printer very, very well. Krillin is rocking and rolling with some geckos, rainbow geckos. We also have some wolves here. Yeah, Amanda's right. Huskies, not wolves. I don't know what the heck I was talking about. We got some new Huskies. So I finally got the ability to try out the AI feature on Maker World. And this is one of the first designs we got here. We got a slight little imperfections on 2 of them on the right arms here. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Really excited about what we created. And this is the real true test. We did do a test model print in a solid color, but this one's in full color, so we'll see what it looks like when it's completed. I have been on content creation beast mode between comic books, work content, 3D printing content, dance content. I have been absolutely on beast mode. We have some more Huskies being made of the Pocket Peeps. We have a new set of Pocket Peep tiny robots ready to go on Krillin with the second color from FlashForge. We did get the chameleons off and they look so nice. They look so good. We have a little short on it on our Instagram page, so make sure you guys check it out. Family Print Project on Instagram. Get ready for the pop-up market for tomorrow and dive into it, because one of the things we need to do, we have to have enough funds to be able to order some more beige, enough to get us to the next couple of days until paycheck, and we'll see how the pop-up goes. I am very excited. We have our first fail on Krillin. There was a communication error, so these are not going to be mostly done before the market, and I'm not sure what happened, how it got a communication error, but we turned off the printer. It's what it requested, and turned it back on, or about to turn it back on once I get these guys off the build plate. Huskies are looking fantastic. They should be done within the next 2 hours, I think. So that'll be done, and we're gonna get ready to go. We are having a late start to the day. Right, buddy? Yeah. Isabella and Broly are ready to go. Package 1, package 2. Got some more stuff to unbox and get into. All right, we are officially all set up. We just did the first portion of the market breakdown video, episode 4. It's going good, but we are set up differently today, and we are over by our original spot, which is totally fine. It is loud as heck though, so definitely gonna be mic'd up, and depending, it could be audio talking over, depending on how bad it is, and recapping pop-up, so keep that in mind. There's a really big football game going on. There's a lot of parties at this location today, and we're really excited. We're really happy we made it out here. We got out here, and it's currently 1 o'clock, and we're gonna be here till about 8. And we've already made back our market amount and gas, so that's really good. Very, very excited. Let's hop into today. Okay, so right now is the first time we really could actually pick up the camera and vlog a little bit. It's been a pretty busy time since we got here, from 1-ish to 4-ish. It's been pretty busy, and now it's slowed down enough to be able to actually pick this up and talk with you guys. But as you can hear, it is actually extremely loud in here. So it's been a crazy day. All right, so we had some form of error on the card reader, the contactless one. We had to troubleshoot it and figure it out, but we finally figured it out. It's been about 20 minutes, and it's currently 6:12. But it's all connected. We're good to go, and back on track. We got about 2 hours left. Well, anyways, we just got an update on the iPad, which made the whole checkout process a little bit different. So we're adjusting to that. Second batch of Huskies looking good, and we have our tiny robots looking fantastic and actually printing. After an update on Krillin, everything's going smoothly. The tiny robots are done. They're the newest prints we've got done. And about to put another set of stuff before we go to bed, and gonna do another set of Huskies to get them done. And yeah, let's rock and roll, baby. All right, we have some jumbo robots and a couple cheap keychains. Well, we got some Huskies. These are definitely a hot item seller at the market, so we're gonna print some more of those. And that's it for the printers tonight. That's gonna end it for this week's vlog. Join us next week for another weekly vlog and a market breakdown and a lot more fun. Bye, guys.